Hi, my name is Corey Conley. I'm a product manager with Skyjack, and I'm here at the ARA show to introduce our new line of full-size rough terrain scissor lifts. So this new line of scissor lifts is to replace our existing 8831, 8841, and 9250 models. Here at the show we have the SJ9233 RT. So the new lineup is actually going to have 4 models. We're going to start shipping machines July this year for our SJ9233, SJ9243, and SJ9253 RTs. And then later this year we're actually launching a new machine, the SJ9263. So entering a new class, 60-foot class. Like I said, at the show we've got the SJ9253 here. So what I'd like to do is kind of point out some of the key features on this machine. So looking at the machine, one of the things you'll notice is that we have maintained the axle-based drive system that we have in our current machines. So really from Skyjack's standpoint, we like to promote that is not only providing performance benefits, but also from a maintenance and cost of ownership standpoint. So that was one of the things we strongly felt we had to maintain on these machines. Speaking about the drivetrain, one of the other things we did on these machines is we're going standard with solid rubber tires. Launching these machines this year, obviously one of the things we had to focus on was making sure they were compliant to the recently published ANSI and CSA standards. So instead of going with foam-filled tires, we decided to go with solid tires. One of the other things you'll notice about our new line of RT scissors is a similar type scissor stack design that we currently use on our 88s and 9250. So you've got the tapered scissor ends, you've got the dual lifting cylinders, so it provides the operator a very rigid feel when they're up on the platform. So the way our nomenclature works is the first number and the model name represents the width of the machine. So these machines are going to be 92 inches wide, and they're going to be 33 feet, 43 feet, and 53 feet, the platform heights. So obviously on our existing models we've increased the platform height. One of the other things we've also done is we've maintained the same type of platform size that we have on our current 9250. So on the 288 models that we're replacing, we've increased the platform size for the 33 and 43 foot models. We've maintained our 5-foot extension decks, and we've actually increased the capacities on some of the models. So going from the 8831's 2,000 pounds capacity up to 2,750 pounds. And then on the 43 foot model, we've gone from 1,500 pounds capacity up to 2,000 pounds capacity. So that's another thing we're heavily promoting on these machines, increasing the platform heights and increasing the capacities as well. Another thing that people will notice that we are changing on the new line of RT scissors is the control system. So we've been talking about our new DC scissors as well. They're going to be compliant with the recently published standards, and some changes we're making to the control system on those machines. Similar type changes will be happening on these machines as well. So we're replacing all of the relays with what we've been calling sky-coded module. So we're still going to have the color-coded numbered wiring running into that module, but we're just replacing those relays. And then we've actually got an onboard visual display at the side of the base control box. So operators, service managers can use that display module to not only get the hours and runtime on the machine, but also cycling through any calibration or control menus. If you'd like to receive any more information, feel free to reach out to Skyjack's website. We've got all the specifications and additional features and optional equipment information on there. Thank you.